Hey, what's up guys, welcome again to my channel. I'm coming again to bring you demolition video. This one is in Gomongo slums, Lucky Summer, and over to the river, the other side is Babadogo. So you can see the excavators are parked there. You can see them right there, and there's another one coming there. There are four of them. You can see NYS. NYS is a youth force by the government. It's a youth force. And long ago it used to be mandatory for you to join NYS, National Youth Service. But nowadays it's optional. So we're waiting for them to continue the demolition. They have already done a lot of them. You can see all this side. They have demolished even where I'm seated. And right here, this is the Madare River that crosses through Madare and now comes to through the slum that is Lucky Summer and Gomongo. So let's wait and see how it's going to unfold. All these people are waiting to collect scrap metal. That's the way they do. When it's demolished, they enter and collect scrap metals, and sometimes it turns out to be chaotic. So let's wait. So everyone is waiting, and it's like they have just decided to pack them. Another one is coming over there. They're just waiting. The NYS is just seated. No activity is going on. It's like they have not yet made up their minds and what to do next. So they're supposed to demolish over there the mabati structures or iron sheets, but on this side you can see they already finished where there is bananas or plantain. What's the difference between bananas and plantain, by the way? Not sure, but I think plantains are a bit taller and they have to be cooked. Even though they are ripe, they have to be cooked before they are consumed. But bananas, there is the one that you ripen and the one that you cook. Not even sure. Leave your comments in the comment section down below. What's the difference between banana and plantain? These ones. So on this side they had already demolished, and this one, you can see this one was just hanging on the river bank. You can see that it's heading there and the river is there. Man, that was so dangerous. It's not safe, but it was demolished, so it's all good. Like I told you, this is the Madare River. This is the cause of all these demolitions. They have to obey a 30-meter rule. No building 30 meters from them. So from the river here going there up to where they have demolished 30 meters. You can see all this side have been demolished. You can see this one all the way up to there, demolished. And it was too close to the river. You see this place. Somebody has planted another banana right here, or plantain. See. So let's wait and see what's going to unfold. They have just packed them there. There are four of them, the excavators. You can see them from here. They have the reddish one, the Hitachi, Liebherr, hey, and the Katz brand. So let's just wait like anybody else and see what they will do next. You can see over there the demolition, the walls are going down. More demolitions. And the youths are being chased away. They have come to collect the metals. And all these were demolished. This one is in Gomongo, in Lucky Summer. This is Gomongo slum. I don't know if it's visible from here, but you can see the excavator now is moving to finish up those walls. There, right there, you can see it. 30 meters from the river, every house goes down. You can see. Oh, you know, that wall was constructed maybe in 3 days, but within like 5 seconds it's down. Building is very hard, destroying is very easy. Sad to the owner that they could have followed the set guidelines. Follow the 30 meters rule from the river. No construction and no farm activities. Demolished. These ones were spared. Yeah. They were lucky. It's going back. Maybe it's going after that church, not sure. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Oh, this place demolished. This is the Gomongo slum, like I told you. Here it is. The other side is Lakisama and Babadogo. And over to that side is a school. That's the reason they have just decided to stop the demolition, so that they can decide on the way forward. Here there were houses. People are living here. Now all that is remaining is just to collect these stones. There you can see they have gathered them here. We call those darugo or machine cut. I see even the tires. Ceramic tiles. Oh, somebody has decided to start a farm over there. A small farm has planted beans. Just across the river there's a school, and it is supposed to be demolished. And I think that's the reason they have just stopped to decide on the way forward. As you can see on that side, there is a church has been demolished, but this one has been spared. They have been given time to vacate because they are considering it's a school, you know. Let's keep moving. All the metals gone, only the stones remain. This is the slum itself, Gomongo. We're doing their cleaning over there. So they're trying to salvage the stones so that maybe they can sell. This is like a farm. It's arrow roots. So they are ready doing cleaning over there. They're using this river water. See all of these were houses. All those had come up to this point, demolished, but they were not demolished today. They were demolished last week. This is a slum, Gomongo. So this was like a tailoring shop. You see all those cuttings of clothes. Look at another one right here. Finished. Sad for the victims or the investor. You know, shifting houses is very expensive. And now you have been shifted by force. And you are not prepared. And now for the investor who had decided to build the houses here. You can see some huge loss. Trying to create a trench so that we can install a water pipe for scanning during the demolitions. So that's what they are trying to do. They cleared all the stones, what do you call them? The construction waste, so that they can clear a path. Or they can make a path so that they can lay a pipe, a water pipe. This is still Madara River. This is the pipe they are correcting. This is the water pipe. So they want to lay a new one on where the houses had been illegally constructed and they were demolished. As you can see, the stones that are lying around, those are the aftermath of the demolitions. Now they are doing the fixing. I see that excavator there. So today they were about to do more demolition, like you have seen at the start of the video, but it's like now they are laying down their plan on what to do next, because they have packed the excavators. There are 4 of them. This is the Nairobi Water and Sewerage Company pipe for the drinking water or the tap water. So that's what they are trying to correct. Like I told you, they are laying a new one. You can see that white truck over there. That's a Nairobi Water and Sewerage Company truck. And these are their employees over here in the blue overalls. And I've noticed the river is becoming a bit cleaner. Long ago it could have dark water. Now it's brown. It's improving. Even the smell, I mean, it used to generate a very bad smell, but nowadays it's a bit cleaner. It's a bit cleaner. But it's still dirty. You can see, it's still dirty. And there is trash by the roadside, and this trash has been brought by the water from other places, and some still have been dumped right here because there were houses over the other side. But at least now the river can breathe. Yeah? The river can breathe, and people downstream can enjoy this water. Maybe they can use it for farming. Yeah, but drinking, I think it will take a very long time. You cannot drink this one. Maybe you do around with it. Let's wait and see what exactly, or how exactly they are going to lay the pipes. They have cleared the path for the pipe. I think it will take years, even for fish, to live in this water, because it's dirty, it's toxic. And I think the government can do something, because during Mishuki time, he sent orders and said the rivers must be clean. He even said that after some time he want to see fish in that river. That was Nairobi River and Madara River. This exactly river. And after some time, the water was clean. Even the companies that were dumping their wastewater into the river, they were given a stern warning during Mishuki time. That was during the Kibaki era. John Mishuki. He is late now. He died many years ago. If you can go to your Google search and search John Mishuki, he was the MP for Kangema and the Minister for Environment. He said it's a must these rivers to be clean, because that time you could think it is flowing sewage, and actually it was a river. And believe it or not, that came to pass. So it's still doable. So the government should act. The county government and also the national government, county government of Nairobi, that is. You can see then at that point there, there's a sewage that is leaking into the river. That one should be corrected to stop poisoning this river. Like I've been saying in my previous, I'm an environmentalist. I like preserving the environment. By nature, I just love trees and nice green spaces. So the river should be corrected, and this trash being thrown into the river, the companies around here in Babadogo dumping trash should be dealt with and given a stern warning or harsh penalties once they dump their waste into the river. What do you think, guys? Leave your comment section down below. Tell me what you think. Should they stop dumping into the river? Or I mean, how should it be done? Because we can do it. It's doable. Like I told you, during Mishuki time it was done within a very short time, and this time now we can still do it. But I think it starts with the citizen. Okay? It starts from the citizens themselves. Stop dumping trash, then complain to the government, even the companies, to stop, because they are the major environment polluters. This one is a cheese spot. There is a forest right here. It's a small forest and bamboo. Here they have done a very nice job. Nice job, I mean, planting these trees. I'm not even sure what exactly it's doing. Yeah, these excavators are very strong. Just imagine if it lost its brakes to just come in here into the river. It's somehow deep, but not that deep. It's not so deep. All this will not be possible because there were houses constructed exactly where that excavator is. So you can see even the works are now possible. But why is it dumping stones into the river? Oh, it has gone off, and it has started developing mechanical issues. Let's see exactly what it's going to do. Oh, that thing is strong. Hey. This one is an excavator. very strong. These are the ones that are doing demolitions. They are tearing down the houses, the illegal houses, that is. All this place you can see those stones that are lying. There were houses, like even where the excavator is, like I told you, there was there were houses. It's developing mechanical issues because it keeps on shutting down. I heard that these excavators are hired per hour. So if you are financially stable, you can buy one and you keep hiring it to the government. Once there is construction works, you can hire it. You hire it out to the government. It's a nice business, but I think this one is for the rich, because this thing definitely is not cheap. It's very expensive, even to maintain. To carry it, it's not carried by road, or it does not move on the road. It has to be carried by a flatbed trailer, because it will destroy the tarmac. So that means even moving it, it will cost you money. Plus now the fuel. But if you have the financial muscles, why not? Go for it. Go for the investment. What do you think? For me, I cannot afford it. I've not even afforded a small car. But soon I'll be driving my dream car. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel up to this point, make sure you give it a subscription. Turn on the notification bell, and let me tell you the importance of subscribing. That's how the video is pushed to other people that have not spotted my channel, and also liking the video is recommended to other people that have not yet still checked out the video, and also leave your comment so that we can interact about the video in the comment section down below. Let's have a conversation, an interaction down there. All right, subscribe. That's the only way you can support my channel to grow. We are at a road to 1,000 subscribers, and today I'm filming this video on a Monday, the 10th of June 2024 at around 2 p.m. East African time. So guys, that building is supposed to be demolished today, so they created a heap so that the excavator can reach to that point. But it's like it has a lot of issues, like how are they going to make it fall down, like come down without distracting the trees or going to the river and falling on these buildings without causing a lot of damage. So there are people demolishing in there. And I've passed through there and I can feel the house was shaky. You can feel the tremor once they are knocking the slabs. They're endangering their lives. So it's supposed to come down this way. So we are waiting for it to be brought down. But unfortunately, they're not going to bring it down today. It's like now they are going to remove it bit by bit until it comes down. So let's wait. But I think those guys are risking their lives a lot. There's no protective equipment. They're using simple mallets, you know. They should wait for the excavators. But I think the area MP who owns this building maybe have liaised with the people responsible for demolishing, because there are people that have been given contract. Maybe he have agreed with them. They take away their metal so that at least they can recover a bit of the money. Because building this house is so expensive. It can take up to 100 million Kenya shillings. So keep subscribing to my channel. Let's go and see other areas that have been demolished and see what's going on there. Keep subscribing, comment, like, share. Let's go. People are doing cleaning by the riverside. You can see. by the riverside right here. So they are using this water from the river to do their cleaning. This is where the excavator passed. So the excavator passed, going to do the demolitions. This is the river itself. So the lady there doing her cleaning, I didn't want to focus her a lot. This is where the river is coming from. This one, Mavare River. So guys, that's been the demolition video. It's like more of aftermath of what happened. It was not so much serious, the demolitions happening today. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a sweet comment. What do you think? Let's chat in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.